Struggling with rusted bolts or stuck hardware? In this video, we'll break down the top 5 penetrating oils on Amazon that free seized parts in seconds and save your tools from frustration. Let's begin with what many professionals consider the gold standard, Kroil Original Penetrating Oil. This 10-ounce aerosol is renowned for its slow creep formula that seeps into microscopic gaps, loosening rusted bolts that have been frozen for years. Kroil has long been the go-to in aviation and heavy equipment industries for a reason. It works when others fail. Users consistently report success where common brands fall short. It's not just about breaking rust, it's about restoring threads without damage. Whether you're restoring an old engine or dealing with corroded outdoor equipment, Kroil is a premium performer that earns its higher price tag. Next, we have PB Blaster Penetrating Catalyst. This 11-ounce spray can is easily one of the most recognizable names in the game. Known for its fast action and loud hiss, PB Blaster is found in countless toolboxes across America. It attacks rust quickly and leaves behind a lubricating film that prevents reseizing. Mechanics love it because it often works in under 15 minutes, and it's affordable enough to keep in bulk. Whether you're loosening suspension bolts or freeing a seized lug nut, PB Blaster is dependable and easy to use. Its availability and consistent results make it a must-have for DIYers and pros alike. In third place is Liquid Wrench Super Penetrant. This 11-ounce option is frequently featured in performance tests, often outperforming bigger name brands. It breaks surface tension effectively and seeps into rusted joints rapidly. What sets Liquid Wrench apart is its blend of solvents and lubricants that not only free stuck parts but also provide lasting protection afterward. Users appreciate that it doesn't have an overwhelming chemical smell and is less messy compared to others. It's especially effective on automotive fasteners, brake components, and machinery that hasn't moved in years. If you want serious performance without the premium price, Liquid Wrench delivers outstanding results. Next on the list is Freeall Rust Eater, known for its aggressive formula that lives up to its name. This 11-ounce spray is a favorite among mechanics who deal with old, neglected hardware on a daily basis. It penetrates faster and deeper than standard sprays and includes a rust-busting agent that attacks corrosion directly. Freeall is often compared head-to-head with Kroil and holds its ground well. It's especially effective on industrial bolts, heavy equipment, and marine applications where moisture is constant. For those who work in tough conditions or want maximum speed, Freeall is a great tool to have in your arsenal. Finally, we have Castle Thrust Penetrating Oil, a lesser-known but powerful contender in the category. This 15.75-ounce can offers industrial-grade performance with a formulation that's been trusted for decades. Castle Thrust is praised for its longevity. One application often lasts longer than cheaper brands, reducing the need for multiple sprays. It's made in the USA and commonly used in manufacturing settings, offering a balance of speed, penetration, and lubrication. The larger size also gives it an edge for professionals who go through a lot of product. If you're looking for something heavy-duty that gets results, Castle Thrust is worth a serious look.